Hi everyone and welcome on our channel The AZ. Really glad that you click on the video. So first, let's present ourselves. This is Juju. She is actually my girlfriend. Right now we are sanding the floor to prepare our life right there. And this is me. My name is Morgan, but everyone call me Momo. So the channel is actually a journey. We are renovating an old house. But if you just came, let's get back 1 year ago that I can explain to you all the stuff. So like I said, 1 year ago we bought a small house in south of France, an area called Pyrénées-Orientales. And we also decided to live off the grid, which means no electricity connection and no tap water connection. The house, it's composed by 2 floors and it costs 20,000 euros. So here you get the first floor and the ground floor. More precisely, the ground floor is composed by a kitchen, you get the toilets, and we also got a bathroom. At the back, we got a garden, and we also got a gym. The first floor is composed by a living room and also a room. And the second floor is just an attic. And we decide to start the self-renovating process. Okay, let's begin with the ground floor and the kitchen. So what you can see, it's the state when we received the key, so it was a little bit messy. The first thing was to put a stove because we were preparing to start the renovating process during the winter. So we had to put some tube because we had to evacuate the smoke outside, and it was a really difficult step, but at the end we had the fire. Second thing was to remove the ceiling because we had to see the state of the wood if we have to do something with it, and actually create a lot of mess. So with the toilets, the bathroom and the gym, right now we done nothing. So let's continue with the garden. So you see the state at the beginning, it was really messy and we got a lot of ivy on the wall. So first we had to arrange all the stuffs and to put at the side, and we discovered that we have concrete on the floor. We brought a ladder to remove all the ivy. So as you can see, it brought a lot of light on it and it was really cool. We put the leaves at the back, and because you are a small part of concrete, I decided to create a bag for flowers or tree, whatever. So here you get the bag. Second steps was to create a separation between the earth, the garden, and the concrete place. So I decided also to create a second bag at the left side. So then I put some concrete on it because I decided to create a plaster. So here you are from the top, and then we burn all the leaves and we put the ground flat. So because also the color, red color, as you see, it was really strange, we decided to change the color of the wall. And so this is the state of the garden right now. Now let's continue with the first floor and the living room. So this is the state of the living room 1 year ago when we received the key. Quite old-fashioned, isn't it? Especially the tapestry. So first we clean the floor, and if you see a tent, it's because at that time we were sleeping on this room. Second, we decide as the ground floor to remove the ceiling, to see the quality of the wood, but it was creating a lot of mess. Then we had to put all the stuff in a plastic bag in order to throw it away. And we cleaned the floor. But as you can see, there is some traces of plaster, so we had to clean it up. So this is the ceiling right now. Then we had to remove the tapestry. It's easier when you put water on it. And so this is the living room right now. Blue color, and I guess it was a boy room. So now let's talk about the room. So same, this is the room 1 year ago with all the furniture, and the bed, as you can see, in metal. It was really rough, so because it was not going away, we had to cut it. Then we decided to also remove the ceiling, also creating a lot of mess. And the tapestry. So as you can see, it's a pink room, so we guess it was for a lady. Let's finish with the second floor, the attic. This is the state of it 1 year ago when we received the key. First, we had to brush the ceiling. Then we decided to sand it, but it was not worth it, so we stopped it. Then we decided to create an open window to get more light. And we put some glass block instead. This is the view of it from the garden. Then we decided to put coating on the rock wool. The purpose was to get unity. It seems really fast, but actually it was really hard. It took us long weeks. Then we put white coating. So now we are back, nowadays. Right now, we are sanding the floor. Our purpose is to renovate the house to get a more sustainable life in the countryside. If you like the content or the journey, you can follow it. It's 2 videos a month, the 1st and the 50th. If you don't understand French, don't worry. 80% of the content is time-lapse, and also you can put the caption on.
Donc ça y est, on a tout nettoyé. C'est l'état des lieux, donc le dernier jour en ville, on va dire, pour résumer. Donc là, on est prêt à quitter l'aventure et en démarrer une autre. Voilà. Donc là, je prends ma dernière petite douche après avoir tout nettoyé. Et puis après, c'est l'état des lieux. Et puis après, on prend la route. Et on commencera notre vie dans la nature. Bon, je voudrais faire aussi un petit hommage, enfin surtout à la voiture là qui est bien chargée. On se prépare à y aller, donc je voudrais lui rendre un grand hommage au bébé comme on l'appelle, avec son gardien le petit panda, parce qu'elle nous a quand même bien été utile. Donc là on est chargé au rabord, on peut pas faire plus. Et puis du coup on se prépare à y aller là.
Okay, so the video is finished and I hope you enjoy it. I don't know where you're coming from, but for the last word, what I want to say, it's like the main purpose of this channel really, is to show that with a few amount of money, we can all get access to a more sustainable life off the grid and with autonomy. Simple way. The thing is, we don't want you to go on our track, but the main thing is that you can find your track, and then we succeed. So bye bye, and I hope we will see you next time. Next week we continue and we will sand the floor, and you can see the video. It's time lapse, so even if you don't understand, you can watch it easily. Okay, bye guys.